Charles Oliver. Welcome to this week's Hidden Wealth Insight Solution. What I'm going to talk to you about on Hidden Wealth Radio, if you had a chance to tune in or if you missed it, is the opportunity to not get taxed to the max. And the big question is, if everything you thought to be true about your IRAs, 401ks, and Social Security turned out not to be true, when would you want to know? Because there's two unique case studies I talk about that aren't really unique, but ultimately have an impact on all of us, whether we are somebody who's single as a taxpayer or file taxes jointly as a couple. And in both instances, and I'll go through them quickly with you, the tax was more than double by not knowing the order of how to spend down our retirement accounts, not realizing that up to 85% of your Social Security can be taxable, but worse than 85% of your Social Security being taxable is the fact you have to add whatever your Social Security is, half of it, to your taxable income to determine your federal rate. And that's increasing people's tax by more than double. So it's bad enough that the Social Security, in essence, is going to take back 20% of what they promised you and I to pay you and I that we paid in over all those years. But the fact that that's also going to push us into ultimately the highest tax bracket we've been in our life because of what the increase is to our federal tax liability. I want to teach you our clients pay no tax. And the fact that it's predictable that the markets will soon correct or crash, it's very predictable that taxes will continue to go higher. So let me ask you, why not learn how to eliminate both? The concern of loss, not just to the market, but also to taxes, because taxes will cost all of us somewhere between 25 and 50%. And many of us don't realize till we get to retirement, as several people I've helped, that people are paying more tax in retirement than the tax they paid their last years of working. And it doesn't have to be that way. Outfox the IRS in getting the IRS out of your IRA. Go to solvemyretirement.com. Solvemyretirement.com. I'll be teaching 2 opportunities this Tuesday, and they're filling up quickly. Or you can call and register quickly at 855-668-2928. That's 855-668-2928, which is 855 no tax spelled out, the number 2 and the letter U. Get Uncle Sam out of your savings. Here's to your hidden wealth.